Now we are going to learn how to convert one unit into another. Let us start with converting meter into centimeter. For this, we should know the relation between meter and centimeter. We know that 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Meter is the bigger unit and centimeter is the smaller unit. So when we convert meter into centimeter, we have to multiply by 100. When we convert centimeter into meter, centimeter is the smaller unit and meter is the bigger unit. So when we convert smaller unit into bigger unit, we have to divide by 100. For example, 1 meter is there, so 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Same way, if we want to convert 2 meter into centimeter, we have to multiply 2 by 100. So 2 into 100, 200 centimeter. Now let us start solving some problem based on how to convert meter into centimeter. First one is how to convert 8 meter into centimeter. So we have already learned that to convert meter into centimeter, we have to multiply by 100. So 8 into 100 equal to 800 centimeter. So 800 centimeter are there in 8 meter. Second one is 4 meter. So what we have to do? We have to multiply 4 into 100 to convert 4 meter into centimeter. So it will be equal to 400 centimeter. Same way, the third question is 14 meter. So to convert meter into centimeter, you have to multiply by 100. 14 into 100 equal to 1400 centimeter. Very easy to multiply. First to multiply 14 into 1 and then you have to put 2 zeros in the end. So the shortcut method is whenever you want to convert meter into centimeter, you have to put 2 zeros at the end of a numbers which is given in the meter. Now let us convert the following into centimeters. The first one is 3 meter 55 centimeter. So we have to convert 3 meter 55 centimeter into centimeter. 55 centimeter is already in centimeter, so no need to convert 55 centimeter. You have to convert 3 meter into centimeter. For this, what you will do? You have to multiply 3 by 100 and add 55 centimeter to it. So 3 into 100 equal to 300 centimeter plus 55 centimeter. So it will become 355 centimeter. Hence 3 meter 55 centimeter is equal to 355 centimeter. Let us do one more example. 17 meter 8 centimeter. So 8 is already in centimeter, so no need to convert it. Only you have to add 8 centimeter to the 17 meter. But 17 is in the meter, you have to multiply 17 by 100 to convert it into centimeter and add 8 centimeter to it. So 17 into 100 is 1700 centimeter plus 8 centimeter. So it will become 1708 centimeter. Hence 17 meter 8 centimeter is equal to 1708 centimeter. Now let us solve one more example. 9 meter 12 centimeter. So what we will do? So we will convert 9 meter into centimeter and add 12 centimeter to it, because 12 is already in centimeter. So 9 into 100 equal to 900 centimeter and plus 12 centimeter. So it will become 912 centimeter. Hence 9 meter 12 centimeter equal to 912 centimeter. In the same way, you should try 4 meter 9 centimeter into centimeter. Now let us convert centimeters into meter. So we have already learned, to convert centimeter into meter, you have to divide the number of centimeters by 100. For example, if we want to convert 500 centimeter into meter, what we have to do? We have to divide 500 by 100. So it will be equal to 5 meter. Now second example is 400 centimeter into meter. What you will do? You have to divide 400 by 100 and you will get 4 meter. Now if 1400 centimeter into meter, so you have to divide 1400 centimeter by 100. So it will be equal to 14 meter. The easy way is, when you have to divide centimeter into meter, what you have to do? You have to remove 2 zeros from the end and it will be converted into meter. Now let us solve some more problems based on converting centimeters into meter. So first problem is 287 centimeter. Have to convert it into meter. We all know that to convert centimeter into meter, we have to divide by 100. When you divide 287 by 100, what you have to do? The last 2 digits is centimeter and the remaining digit is meter. Now in 287, 2 will be meter and 87 will be centimeter. It will be equal to 2 meter 87 centimeter. Means if you divide 287 by 100, so the quotient will be 2 and remainder will be 87. Quotient represent meter and the remainder represent centimeter. So it is 2 meter and 87 centimeter. Again 620 centimeter. So what you have to do? You have to divide 620 by 100. When you divide 620 by 100, the quotient will be 6 and remainder will be 20. So 6 will be meter and the 20 will be centimeter. So it will be 6 meter 20 centimeter. One more example, 932 centimeter. So 932 divided by 100. The quotient will be 9 and remainder will be 32. The easy way is, the last 2 digit is centimeter and the remaining digit is meter. So 9 meter 32 centimeter. In this way, you can solve some other problems given in this sheet. Now let us convert kilometers to meters. So we know the relation between kilometer and meter. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. Kilometer is bigger unit and meter is smaller unit. When we convert kilometer into meter, that is bigger unit into smaller unit, we have to multiply by 1000. So 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. So 2 kilometer equal to 2 into 1000, 2000 meter. 3 kilometer equal to 3 into 1000, 3000 meter. Same way you can find for any numbers which is given in the kilometer. You have to multiply by 1000. But when we convert meter into kilometer, that is meter is the smaller unit and kilometer is the bigger unit. When we convert smaller unit into bigger unit, we have to divide by 1000. For example, if it is 3000 meter and we want to convert it into kilometer, we have to divide by 1000. 3000 divided by 1000 equal to 3 kilometer. Now let us solve some problems based on converting kilometer into meters. So first one is 8 kilometer. To convert 8 kilometer into meter, what we have to do? We have to multiply 8 by 1000. We have already learned that to convert kilometer into meter, we have to multiply by 1000. So 8 into 1000 equal to 8000 meter. Hence 8 kilometer equal to 8000 meter. Now move to the second. 3 kilometer. So to convert 3 kilometer into meter, you have to multiply by 1000. 3 into 1000 is equal to 3000 meter. So 3 kilometer equal to 3000 meter. One more example, 6 kilometer. Convert 6 kilometer into meter. We have already learned that we have to multiply by 1000. Because when we convert bigger unit into smaller unit, we have to multiply by 1000. Kilometer is the bigger unit and meter is the smaller unit. So 6 into 1000 is equal to 6000 meter. Hence 6 kilometer equal to 6000 meter. In same way, you can do other problems given below. Now convert meter into kilometer. To convert meter into kilometers, you have to divide the number of meters by 1000. Because meter is the smaller unit and kilometer is the bigger unit. We have already learned when we convert smaller unit into bigger unit, we have to divide by 1000. So let us do some example. 7000 meter. 7000 meter, if we want to convert it into kilometer, we have to divide 7000 by 1000. The easy way is cross the 3 zeros which are at the end of the 7 and you will get 7 kilometer. Or when you divide 7000 by 1000, the quotient will be 7. The quotient will show kilometer. Another example, we will take 12,000 meter. To convert 12,000 meter into kilometer, we have to divide by 1000. So when we divide 12,000 by 1000, we will get the quotient 12. The quotient shows kilometer. So 12,000 meter equal to 12 kilometer. Or the shortcut way is remove the 3 zeros from the end of the 12 and you will get 12 kilometer. In the same way, let us solve 15,000 meter into kilometer. So what we will do? We will divide 15,000 by 1000. So when we divide 15,000 by 1000, we will get the quotient 15 or remove the 3 zeros from the 15,000. Answer will be 15 kilometer. Hence, 15,000 meter equal to 15 kilometer. In the same way, you can solve the question number 4 and 5.